In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the front turn signals in a Kia Sportage. This should be exactly the same from 2017 to 2022. So if you have a front turn signal out, whether it's driver or passenger, you might as well replace both sides. Once one bulb goes out, the other one's not too far behind. So let's go ahead and get them replaced. Alright, I'm going to show you guys exactly where the passenger side bulb is first. If you locate your window washer reservoir, about 2 inches above that is right here. Your turn signal bulb for passenger side is right there. I'm going to show you where the driver's side is. If you see your air box here, right on the edge of your air box, come around to the front. It's going to be right there. That's your driver's side front turn signal. We're going to go ahead and do the passenger side first since that's the one that's out. You're going to locate your bulb housing right here and you're going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise. About a quarter of a turn, pull straight back and out comes the bulb. Now we need to remove the bulb from the housing. So you're going to push in. It's going to go in about 1/8 of an inch. And then you're going to turn to the left about a quarter of a turn and the bulb will come right out. Alright, so now we can put a new bulb in. I always use latex gloves because I don't want fingerprints on the bulb because that's going to create a hot spot. So if you look at the end of the bulb, those two nubs are not totally in line. So if you push the bulb into the housing and you go to turn it to the right and it doesn't lock in place, rotate the bulb 180 degrees and reinsert. Turn it to the right and let it lock into place. If you're turning it to the right and you can still pull it out, you just need to rotate the bulb. Push in to the right and then give the bulb a little bit of a tug and make sure it doesn't come out. Now we're going to insert the bulb in the housing. Now this does have to line up a certain way. Once you push it in, rotate it to the left until you see it drop in. So if you just push in, you keep pushing, it's not going to line up until you start rotating it, and it's best to rotate to the left. There, it just dropped in. Now I'm going to turn it to the right to lock it into place. Now to make sure that you have this fully installed, give a little tug on it, and also this piece here should be straight up and down. Now we're going to come over here to the driver's side, rotate it to the left, pull straight out. Remove the bulb, push in, rotate left, pull straight out. Install our new bulb, line up the tabs with the slots in the housing, push in, rotate to the right. Doesn't want to lock in place, still keeps coming out, rotate 180 degrees, line up the slots, push in, rotate to the right, give it a little tug, we know it's locked in place. Install the bulb back into the housing, rotate it until it falls into place. So you can push it in all the way, rotate it to the right. Should be locked in place when this is straight up and down. Passenger side is now working again. Driver's side's got a new bulb in it, so it should last a long time as well. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it, to changing the front turn signals on your Kia Sportage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.